Hello everyone and welcome to our found object color wheel lesson. Today we're going to be exploring basic color theory, which you probably have gone over already in class, but we're going to put a little spin to it. We are going to be creating our own color wheel using objects around the house. Now, this lesson can be super fun if you want to involve your family or friends on FaceTime. It's basically like a giant scavenger hunt, which is pretty exciting. I know I had a lot of fun. Now, in order to do this, I'm going to need some help. My assistant, Bambi, is going to help me find colors around the house. Bambi, you think you can do that? Yes. All right, here we go. Come on, guys. Now, before we start looking for colors, we need to identify what colors we need to find. Now, we're going to try to make an entire color wheel. First, you should start with the primary colors. Now, if you look at this chart, you will notice that the primary colors are red, blue, and yellow, and they are equidistant from each other. When we say a color is primary, we mean that it is the first on the color wheel, and they are colors that you cannot create by mixing other colors together. They are the first. If you couldn't guess already, our next set of colors are our secondary colors. If you notice, the secondary colors are directly in between the primaries. Violet is right in the middle of blue and red. So that tells us if we mix 50% of red and 50% of blue, we will get violet. Two primaries mixed together make a secondary color. Now, our last colors are a little more tricky. There are two names to them, so you might hear a teacher say one of these two terms, but they mean the same thing. They are the intermediate and tertiary colors. Okay, intermediate and tertiary colors mean the same thing. They are in between the primary and the secondary color. That tells us that if we mix 50% of the primary color and 50% of the secondary color, we will get our intermediate color. 50% of blue and 50% of violet equals blue-violet. Now, something you might notice is that the intermediate colors all have two words: red-violet, red-orange, yellow-orange, yellow-green, blue-green, blue-violet. So it's pretty self-explanatory. However, you might notice that the primary color is always listed first. Our primary color for blue-violet is blue, so blue is listed first, blue-violet. For red-violet, our primary color is red, so we have red-violet. All right, my faithful hounds, are you ready to find the primary colors? Ready? Find yellow. Go! Find yellow! Find yellow! Good girl, Bambi, finding yellow! All right, Ferdinand, find red. Go! Go find red! Boy, Ferd! Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so we have our primary colors. We have blue, yellow, and red. Next, we're going to start with our secondary colors. So if we add blue and red together, and if you forget, feel free to Google, we get purple. Ta-da! If we add yellow and blue together, we get green. Excellent, excellent. Now, at the end of your search, your found object color wheel might look something like this. Might look something like this. Feel free to use anything in the house that you can find. Once you're done, take a picture and upload to the Google Classroom. Happy hunting, my friends!